Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today I did inform you that we're going to be starting a new module, so let's dive right in. Today we're going to be starting a module of for loops, so let's pick up some light reading. In this section, we'll be going over the process of implementing for loops in our smart contract. This is our smart contract so far. You can see it's pretty much the same, but you can see here we added the funder to amount funded variable here. You can see funder, how much they funded. This is going to keep track of our funders and how much they funded. We actually implement it into our contract. You can see here, self.funders.append, message.sender. You remember what this does. It adds the funder to the array of funders. And then we have self.funder to amount funded, message.sender plus equals message.value, which is going to add the value they added or how much they actually funded to the contract. So that was where we left off yesterday. And today we're going to go over for loops. So let's pick up some light reading for this module. So as of now, we're saying that whenever you fund our contract, we're going to keep track of you sorry, and your contribution. Then once we withdraw the funds, we will reset the list of people who funded us. We will also reset the amounts that were funded to our contract. We can do that by using a for loop. We'll actually implement our for loop to take place before we reset the self.funders.append message.sender list. So before we reset the list of funders to nothing, we will loop through it and reset the balances there. Note, there are a couple of different ways we can reset the hash map. For this contract, we're going to go with the for each loop. Now this is how we're going to do that. So let's go down a little bit. So you can see here we have the for funder address and self.funders. Self.funded to amount funded, funder equals 0. So we're going to go through the entire funders list. You can see here the self.funder to amount funded. This is going to go through the entire list of people who funded us, and we're going to reset that list to 0, or we're going to set the amount to 0. You can see funder and funded. So this is the funder and how much they funded, and we're going to reset that list to 0. Let's go down a little bit further. Now here we are saying that we want to manually reset the value or amount funded by each funder in our funders address list to the value of 0, like I just stated. But like I said, we're going to keep it there for now because it's going to be a pretty intensive, not intensive, but it's going to be a pretty in-depth module. So I don't want to move too fast, too far. So we're going to keep it there for now. We'll pick it up tomorrow, but of course I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.